How to view a snap without them knowing on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view a snap without letting them know on Snapchat. Now if you open up Snapchat app and head into chats, you'll be able to view all your chats and snaps that you have received or all your chat history here with your friends. Now if you want to view a particular snap, now you will have to open it and view it particularly this way, and they will be able to see that you have opened a snap. Now the only way you can view a snap without them knowing is if they have sent it as a chat. Now if they have sent it here on a chat, a snap, you can see here is a snap. What you can do is simply tap on their profile, particular profile that you can see on the snap of the person that you want to view without letting them know. Simply tap and quickly swipe it to your rightwards, but do not leave your fingers as you can see on the screen, and you'll be able to view what they have sent on the chat, and then quickly swipe it back to the left side of your screen. So if you open it this way, you can see tap on the profile and swipe to the right, you'll be able to view what they have sent or any chats that they have sent. You won't be able to view the snap if they have sent it as a snap. However, if they have sent it as a chat, you'll be able to view it and they won't be notified about it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.